how rich is your language stimulation.
Huh?
Hindi pantay-pantay ang the ways that we talk to children for the best language stimulation. What do I mean? If you find yourself playing with a child, pero madalas, ito lagi sinasabi nyo, what's that? What's that? Oh, what's the color? O, ulitin mo nga. Ano yun? Anong color nito? Ito. Ano tong shape na to? It is not as rich as this language stimulation. Oh, look at that! Hawak mo nga yun, yung red circle. Red circle, I love looking at the red circle. Oh, what are we gonna do with the red circle? Throw! Oh, catch! Throw! Oh, your turn! Di ba ibang-iba? Di ba ibang-iba yung tanong ka ng tanong ng question? And usually kapag nagtatanong ka, kung makasagot man sila, it's like single word, circle, red, ball. But if you are commenting and show them that these are the things that I can say about this red circle, my favorite red ball, and we can bounce it and throw it and shoot it and roll it, diba? That is what makes something language rich. Maging rich man lang tayo in something, diba? Language rich. Let's claim it. Language rich in 2025 for all. Yay!